This is the breakdancing chicken. This is Carrie. We all know who Carrie is. We're not going to show me because I'm bumming it out right now. Breakdancing chicken. Oh, yeah. Eating soup while I watch my breakdancing chicken. It's too funny. It's too adorable. George, my pet chicken. We'll be the chick right now. Ooh. Sorry, people of YouTube, I dropped you. Which is really bad. It's so funny. Oh, George. He's like, I'm trying to breakdance. Come here. Say hi, George. Say hi. Say breakdance for you all the time. He's little. I don't know why he does that. But he does that every time he finds a spot he likes. He walks around and looks for one. Doesn't do it all the time, though. It's funny. Bye, people. Say bye, George. Not by shaking your butt at them. Look at the camera. George. Find a new breakdance spot. And you just walk right over back to your same spot. Say bye. Bye. Say bye, Carrie.